What is meant by chemical control of pest? Chemical control of pest means controlling the pest by using toxic chemical substances called insecticides to kill them. They may kill the pest, alter their behavior, induce sterility in them, or they interfere in their metabolism and development. Classification of pesticides based on action and application. The pesticides are classified into five types based on their action and application. First one is attractants. These are the pesticides used to attract the pest without any contacts over the pest. Another one is repellents. They are the pesticides used to repel the pest from some distance. Another one is detractors, the substance which you used to suppress the behavior of the pest. Another one is auxiliary substance. These are the substance which is mixed into the pesticides to boost up their action in pesticides. Another one is insecticides, chemical used to kill the insect pest. Classification of insecticides based on chemical nature. The insecticides are classified into two types based on their chemical nature. First one is organic insecticides, another one is inorganic insecticides. Inorganic insecticides consist of compounds of minerals and sulfur. The commonest among are arsenic compounds, fluorine compounds, lime, sulfur, and sodium tetraborate. The organic insecticides are different types and they are widely distributed in modern agricultural practices. The important categories are hydrocarbon oils, organic components of animal origin, organic compounds of plants origin, and synthetic organic insecticides. Classification of insecticides based on mode of entry. The insecticides are also classified into another type by based on the mode of entry. First one is stomach poison. Stomach poison. They are the chemicals which become toxic to the insects, and only the insects attack the plants, and they are absorbed to the guts of the insecticides and interfere into their metabolism and kill them. Contact insecticides. They are a highly volatile insecticides which have ability to penetrate into the insect's body. Within the insect's body, they interfere with the nervous system and kill them. Systematic insecticides. Systematic insecticides are the compounds which get absorbed to the sap stream of the plants from stem, leaf, fruit, and root. Then they move along to the vascular bundles. They can poison the insects that feed the sap of these trees. Pigments. They are highly volatile insecticides which can produce a toxic covering around the insect. They get into the insect's body and kill them. Typically, pigments are gases at normal temperature and pressure. Hence, they are stored in a pressurized cylinder. Mechanism of action of insecticides. In general, insecticides act as a physical poison, protoplasmic poison, nerve poison, and respiratory poison. Most of the insecticides kill insects by interfering with the functioning of nerve system and distracting coordinated muscle activity leads to the paralysis and death. In some other insecticides disrupt the molding and leads to the death of the insects or interfering with the action of growth hormones of the insects leads to the abnormal development of organs and then leads to the death. Spectrum of insecticide activities. The range of the pest species affected or influenced by a insecticide is known as spectrum of action. According to spectrum of action, the spectrum of insecticides are divided into two. First one is broad spectrum insecticide, another one is narrow spectrum insecticides. The broad spectrum insecticides are effective against a wide range of pest species, and they are non-selective and effective against several species at a time. Another one is narrow spectrum insecticides. Narrow spectrum insecticides are effective against a limited number of pest species, and they are also selective in some extent, so it helps to protect the beneficial insects. Integrated pest management (PMI). Integrated pest management is a rational and ecologically sound pest control strategy which advocates a combination of technologies. Release release more on natural enemies and cultural control and call for restricted use synthetic pesticides. Features of PMI or integrated pest management. It utilizes two or more techniques in an integrated manner. It makes maximum use of mortality factors. It is strictly based on ecological principles. It is applies specific control measures only when they become unavoidable.